I'm gonna die. So hot. So hot. I need to go nice. 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 Shut up, Nightmare Freddy. You're used to the freezing cold because you go in cold houses and you're not even a polar bear. Shut up. I wonder how much polar bear likes to be cold. I don't think Freddy likes the cold, but it's such a day out though. Still, the birds chirping. It's very sunny out. It's just a good day. My little pony. So I'm so mad, right, Bon? Bon A, how dare you say that again? Okay, I have very little patience for stupidity. And yeah, Bonnie really does. Fact, he really does. Touching it. What the heck is this? It's not dirt because it's white. Is it snow? Snow. I'm gonna go tell this to the others. Hey guys, there's snow. The snow would have melted by now, idiot. No, I swear there's snow. Let me see. It's worthless. All I see is weird white stuff. Wow, it's very sparkly. It feels cold. It's real cold. It's real sparkly and it's real cold. And it's really cold. That's my imagination! Shut up, Nightmare Freddy. You always brag about everything, right, Bonnie? Shut up! Keep me out of this. Like, what the heck, dude? Santa is playing on the floor. Hey, shut up! Hey, we can use this as a... Really? What? Jasper, Jasper, why are you here? I was playing hide and seek on Munch. What the? Yeah, I was playing hide and seek with Munch. Shut up, that's a baby bed. What else am I gonna see? Again, it's very nice that the birds are chirping and everything. I think we're in that right. It's very proper to get ready for boat riding. I like riding boats. Huh. Well, we can do it. You sure this is good? Yeah. Well, we need to get an order. What about that? Fine. Okay, let's go. Let's get out. Especially you, I'm afraid you're gonna get everyone dirty. Shut up. Now it's here. Here, the next, and I'm here. here and you're there, Bonnie. Here. Right. Foxy there. And Nightmare Freddy, you're in the front. I don't really trust you, but it's okay. Okay, guys, I arrived for prompt in 3, 2, 1. Da-da-da-da. Shut up, it's not night. Yeah, I guess you're right. Let's go! Shut up, it's not Mario either. Yeah, I agree. Time to go. Launch off into space. We're not going into space, idiot. We're going in the water. Oh. Whoa, we're floating. Well, never could have got this right. Ew, who farted? Yeah, it was me. See?